Are you looking for camping grill stoves for your next outdoor adventure? You've come to the right place. In this blog post, we'll be sharing our top 5 picks for the best camping grill stoves. So, whether you're looking for a small and lightweight stove or something that can handle a larger cooking load, we've got you covered. So let's get started. List number: Hike Crew 2-in-1 Gas Camping Stove. The Hike 2-in-1 Gas Camp Stove is the perfect camping stove for you. Powered by gas, this camping stove cooks fast and cleanly with easy heat control, so you always have enough power to prepare your meals. The large griddle allows you to cook with confidence, knowing that food will be evenly cooked on both sides. It's even equipped with an integrated drip tray for easy cleanup and enhanced durability throughout use. With all of these great features in one stove, there is no reason to go back to wood fires or propane torches. This durable, compact 2-in-1 gas cooking appliance provides unmatched cooking convenience for camping, tailgating, and tailgating parties. Powered by a single 10,000 BTU burner cooktop with 3 burners total of 3.5 that can also be used as an extra griddle, the stove is designed to be easy to maneuver come grill season. The dual fuel capability makes it ideal for picnics and home entertaining, while creating up to 3,000 BTU of cooking power from the other burner. And the airtight storage box makes transporting it a breeze between campgrounds or in your car until you want to cook. List number: Hike Crew 2-in-1 Gas Camping Stove. The Hike Series gas camping stove is the perfect companion for your hiking adventures. With a powerful 10,000 BTU burner and 3,000 BTU ceramic grill plate, this propane stovetop handles virtually any culinary task without the need for electricity or an open fire. Just turn the dial, press the button, and you're frying in seconds. A spacious stovetop accommodates pans up to 10 inches with easy temperature control and auto ignition, while an accompanying griddle provides an all-purpose cooking surface for pancakes, bacon, sausage, quesadillas, and beyond. Just turn the dial, press the button, and you're frying in seconds. This compact 2-in-1 stove and grill set is packed with features to cater to the every cooking desire. The reversible grill top offers 2 cooking surfaces: a regular grill or griddle. A flip-up windshield cover secures against the spray from kitchen spritz and cooked foods spill over. List 3: Volcano Grill's 3-fuel portable camping stove. The Volcano Portable Camping Stove sets the new standard for outdoor cooking with our patented technology for a clean, simple campfire that is safe and easy to light. Its classic campfire design has been engineered for weight, portability, and versatility to handle wood, charcoal, or propane. The dual stainless steel burners are designed to deliver maximum heat output every time, with an efficient airflow system that ensures your flames are always perfectly matched. This 3-fuel portable camp stove is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Included are adapters that allow you to use it with either propane and a 20-pound cylinder, or you can use the adapter with an attached 5-gallon propane tank. The design of the grill allows you to use the same burner head on both of these fuels, so you can boil water, make coffee, and other hot beverages at the same time. Heat output: 556 inches per minute, 910 degrees Fahrenheit, 480 centigrade. List number: Coleman Gas Camping Grill and Stove. This Coleman Gas Camping Grill and Stove is a great way to prepare meals while on the go. One side provides a 130 square foot grilling area, and the other features an internal cooking area that fits a 10-inch pan. The camping grill and stove features perforated cast iron grilling plates for fast searing and increased efficiency, pressure regulator for precise adjustments, even in extreme conditions, ergonomic, easy-to-clean surface, durable powder coat finish, and weatherproof design to withstand rain, heat, and cold. With Coleman Gas Camping Grills and Stoves, you can use the same grilling space for both a grill and a stove. The heavy-duty grills and stoves have been designed to withstand the conditions in your camping trip and offer a variety of cooking options, perfect for camping takeout, camping dinner, or one less thing to worry about while away from home. These gas grills and stoves offer a portable fuel source that is simple to operate. List number: Arfica Outdoor Windproof Butane Camp Grill Stove. The Arfica Outdoor Windproof Butane Camp Grill Stove is suitable for a variety of pots to meet all your cooking needs such as grilling, frying steak, soup, cooking, and so on. It has a safe flame-out setting and an external sealing system that ensures the gas does not leak outside. The windproof design and the explosion-proof furnace core have good heat dissipation performance in high temperatures with stable flames and long service life. Arfica Outdoor Windproof Butane Camp Stove is a windproof and fireproof camp stove suitable for outdoor camping. It is made of high-grade metal so as to protect the gas burner and has a safe ignition system with internal sealing, making it safe to use in windy weather. The sturdy wire mesh lid protects your cooking area from spills. With high-quality metal construction, the safe flame-out setting has an external sealing system to prevent gas leakage. The windproof design and explosion-proof furnace core have good heat dissipation performance. Anti-spark and flame more stable, so you can save energy in cooking anywhere.